Welcome to CAD with Mr. Yu. In today's video, we're constructing a similar triangle given the ratio of 4 to 3. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw our baseline. Then we're going to measure the length of the base of the triangle AB. So that's 8 centimeters. Use a pencil and a ruler. I'm going to label here A and label this point B. And this is the base of the triangle. So we're going to measure the length of the side AC. It's going to be 70 millimeters. We're going to mark AC 70 millimeters from C. We're going to measure 75 millimeters from B to give a BC. Where the two arcs intersect, that is C. So we use our pencil and label that point C. We're going to use the ruler now to join B to C. We are drawing the triangle ABC. So we're drawing this side B to C with our pencil and our ruler. We're drawing C to A. And this is our triangle ABC. We're going to darken the base. All right, so we have the triangle. What we're going to do now, we're going to draw a similar triangle. And the scale factor is 4.3. So what we're going to do, we're going to extend our construction line to the right of B using our T-square and pencil. Then we're going to draw a line from A going down, any angle, any length. Use a pencil and our ruler to draw this line at an angle. Then we're going to use our compass. So we're going to open the compass about 1 centimeter. And we're going to mark 4 arcs from A going along this line that we drew at an angle. Okay? So the same radius, we're marking it going along. All right, so we have 4 arcs marked from A. We're going to label it with our pencil. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the scale factor is 4.3. So what we're going to do, we're going to join 3 to B with our ruler and our pencil, like this. Yes. Then what we're going to do now, we need a parallel line from 4 to intersect the line AB. So we're going to use our compass to copy this angle to get the parallel line. So mark an arc, use the same radius. From 4, we're going to mark an arc. Then where the first arc intersect the line that we drew at an angle, we're going to mark an arc to the intersecting line 3B. We're going to copy this arc and put it at the second arc that we drew, and we're going to mark it. And this is how we copy the angle to draw a parallel line from 4 that is parallel to 3B. So we draw this construction line, which is a light line. Yes. This now will be B1. This is now the new point for the enlarged triangle or the similar triangle. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy the angle. So mark an arc, same radius from B1, mark an arc. Then we're going to put the compass where the first arc intersect AB. We mark an arc to intersect the side BC, and we mark that same arc from the last arc that we drew from B1. Or we're going to extend the line AC because the triangle is going to get bigger based on the scale factor 4.3. Or we're going to draw this line that we copied previously from B1, yes, and this would be C1. So this is a similar triangle to the given triangle ABC. So the similar triangle is AB1C1. So we're going to darken it with a pencil and our ruler. Yes. All right. So we're going to darken the side AC1. And this is our completed triangle. So what we're going to do, we're going to label the drawing. So we're going to draw some guidelines so that we can label the drawing. Okay. So we're going to indicate the scale factor and also the title for the drawing. So here we go now. We have the T-square lines drawn. So we're going to write to construct A similar triangle given a ratio 4 of 4 to 3. We need another pair of guidelines so we can continue the label for the drawing. So we're going to draw that construction line. The next construction line, I'm going to write hence the scale factor is 4 upon 3. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of a similar triangle to a given triangle, and the scale factor was 4.3. In the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of a similar triangle, and it will be a reduction drawing. So we're looking forward to seeing you in that drawing. At CAD with Mr. U, we aim to become your favorite math channel. Please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.